how to make your own Sprunki game from scratch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've ever wanted to customize your own Sprunki mod, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. In the search box, type Sprunki and press enter. Now look at the search results and click on the first one. Once you're on the page, find the download button and click on it. The download will begin, so wait for it to complete before moving on to the next step. Now let's move on to Scratch. To do that, type Scratch in the search bar. Once you are on the website, click on Create to start a new project. Next, press File, then select Load from your computer to upload the file you downloaded earlier. After the file loads, go to the Costumes tab in the editor. Scroll down to browse through the available costumes. Here, you'll see different options that you can customize. Select the one you want to modify, then scroll further down to explore all the animations and customization settings available. And that's it, you've successfully made your own Sprunki game. So that's basically how you can make your own Sprunki game from scratch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.